Have you ever wondered if there's a simple way to attract wealth and prosperity into your home? What if the secret lies in the spices you use every day? In this video, we'll explore 7 powerful spices rooted in Buddhist secrets that can help you attract abundant wealth. By the end, you'll understand how these spices can transform your home into a magnet for prosperity. Stay with us as we reveal these powerful spices and how to use them effectively. Spice 1. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, a common household spice, holds significant power in attracting wealth and prosperity. In Buddhist rituals, cinnamon is often used for its potent ability to cleanse energy and invite positive vibrations. Its warm, sweet aroma is believed to enhance financial success and abundance, making it a favorite in many spiritual practices. To harness the power of cinnamon, you can place cinnamon sticks in strategic areas around your home. Start by placing a few sticks near the entrance of your home. This placement ensures that positive energy flows into your space right from the moment you or anyone else steps inside. You can also create a small sachet with cinnamon sticks and place it in your wallet or near your financial documents to attract wealth. Burning cinnamon incense or using cinnamon essential oil in a diffuser is another effective way to spread its prosperity-attracting properties throughout your home. The aroma not only fills your space with a warm and inviting scent, but also helps to purify the environment, making it conducive to attracting wealth. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine can also amplify its effects. Add a pinch of ground cinnamon to your morning tea or coffee to start your day with an intention of abundance. This simple act serves as a daily reminder of your financial goals and aligns your energy with the vibration of wealth. Cinnamon's powerful symbolism and practical uses make it an essential spice for anyone looking to enhance their financial situation. By integrating cinnamon into various aspects of your home and daily life, you create a continuous flow of positive energy that attracts wealth and prosperity. Spice 2. Basil. Basil, known for its vibrant green leaves and aromatic fragrance, is another powerful spice that can attract prosperity. In Buddhist traditions, basil is considered sacred and is often used in rituals to invite positive energy and protect against negativity. Its fresh, uplifting scent is believed to foster a sense of peace and abundance, making it a valuable addition to any home. To use basil for attracting wealth, start by placing fresh basil plants in key areas of your home. The kitchen is an ideal spot, as it is often considered the heart of the home. Placing a basil plant on your kitchen windowsill or countertop not only adds a touch of greenery, but also promotes financial prosperity. Ensure that the plant receives plenty of sunlight and care, as a healthy plant symbolizes growth and abundance. You can also create a small sachet with dried basil leaves and place it in your wallet or near your financial documents. This practice helps to draw money and opportunities to you. Additionally, sprinkling dried basil leaves in your home, particularly near doorways and windows, is believed to protect against financial loss and invite positive energy. Using basil in your cooking can further enhance its prosperity-attracting properties. Incorporate fresh or dried basil into your meals with the intention of inviting wealth and abundance into your life. As you cook, visualize your financial goals and feel gratitude for the prosperity you are manifesting. Basil's dual role as a culinary herb and a spiritual ally makes it a versatile and powerful tool for attracting wealth. By integrating basil into your home and daily practices, you align yourself with the energy of abundance and create a welcoming environment for prosperity to thrive. Spice 3. Clove. Clove, a spice known for its strong aroma and warming properties, is highly regarded in Buddhist rituals for its ability to attract financial success and protect against negative energy. The potent scent of clove is believed to cleanse the environment and stimulate positive energy flow, making it an excellent choice for those seeking to enhance their financial well-being. To use clove for attracting wealth, start by placing whole cloves in a small dish or bowl near the entrance of your home. This placement ensures that any negative energy is neutralized as it enters your space, allowing only positive vibrations to flow through. You can also create a clove sachet and place it in your wallet or near your financial documents to draw money and opportunities. Burning clove incense or using clove essential oil in a diffuser is another effective way to harness its prosperity-attracting properties. The rich, spicy aroma of clove not only purifies the air, but also creates an environment conducive to attracting wealth. Diffusing clove oil during meditation or while focusing on your financial goals can amplify its effects. Incorporating clove into your daily routine can further enhance its benefits. Add a few whole cloves to your morning tea or use ground clove in your cooking with the intention of attracting wealth. The act of consuming clove-infused food and drink serves as a daily reminder of your financial aspirations and aligns your energy with abundance. Clove's powerful properties make it a valuable spice for those looking to improve their financial situation. By integrating clove into your home and daily practices, you create a protective and prosperous environment that invites wealth and success. Spice 4. Ginger. Ginger, renowned for its zesty flavor and numerous health benefits, also holds a significant place in spiritual practices for attracting wealth and abundance. In Buddhist traditions, ginger is valued for its ability to energize and invigorate, making it a powerful spice for stimulating financial prosperity. To use ginger for attracting wealth, start by placing fresh ginger root in a small bowl near the entrance of your home. This placement is believed to welcome positive energy and good fortune into your space. You can also create a sachet with dried ginger pieces and place it near your financial documents or in your wallet to attract money and opportunities. Burning ginger incense or using ginger essential oil in a diffuser is another effective way to harness its energizing properties. The spicy, invigorating aroma of ginger can help to clear mental blocks and stimulate motivation, making it easier to focus on your financial goals. Diffusing ginger oil during meditation or while working on your financial plans can enhance its effects. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine can further amplify its benefits. Add fresh or ground ginger to your morning tea or smoothie to start your day with a boost of energy and intention. Cooking with ginger, whether in savory dishes or baked goods, can also help to infuse your meals with the energy of abundance. As you prepare and consume ginger-infused food, visualize your financial goals and feel the power of prosperity flowing into your life. Ginger's dual role as a culinary and spiritual enhancer makes it a versatile and potent tool for attracting wealth. By integrating ginger into your home and daily practices, you can stimulate positive energy and create an environment conducive to financial success. Spice 5. Nutmeg. Nutmeg, with its warm, sweet aroma, is often associated with prosperity and luck in various spiritual traditions, including Buddhism. This spice is believed to enhance intuition and attract good fortune, making it a valuable ally in your quest for financial abundance. To use nutmeg for attracting wealth, start by placing whole nutmeg seeds in strategic locations around your home. The entrance and living room are ideal spots, as these areas are crucial for welcoming and nurturing positive energy. You can also create a sachet with ground nutmeg and place it near your financial documents or in your wallet to draw money and opportunities. Burning nutmeg incense or using nutmeg essential oil in a diffuser can also help to harness its prosperity-attracting properties. The comforting, warm scent of nutmeg can create a soothing atmosphere that promotes positive thinking and financial focus. Diffusing nutmeg oil while meditating on your financial goals can amplify its effects and help you stay aligned with the energy of abundance. Incorporating nutmeg into your daily routine is another way to enhance its benefits. Add a pinch of ground nutmeg to your morning coffee or tea to start your day with an intention of wealth and prosperity. Baking with nutmeg, especially in holiday treats and comfort foods, can also help to infuse your meals with the energy of abundance. As you prepare and enjoy nutmeg-infused food, visualize your financial goals and feel grateful for the wealth you are attracting. Nutmeg's unique properties make it a powerful spice for those seeking to enhance their financial situation. By integrating nutmeg into your home and daily practices, you create a welcoming environment for prosperity and good fortune. Spice 6. Saffron. Saffron, often referred to as the golden spice, is prized not only for its culinary value, but also for its powerful spiritual properties. In Buddhist tradition, saffron is associated with wealth, wisdom, and divine connection. Its vibrant color and unique fragrance are believed to attract prosperity and enhance one's spiritual and material wealth. To use saffron for attracting wealth, start by placing a few saffron threads in a small dish or bowl near the entrance of your home. This placement is thought to invite positive energy and good fortune. You can also create a small sachet with saffron threads and place it near your financial documents or in your wallet to draw money and opportunities. Using saffron incense or saffron essential oil in a diffuser is another effective way to harness its properties. The rich, luxurious aroma of saffron can create an atmosphere of opulence and abundance, helping to elevate your mindset and focus on financial prosperity. Diffusing saffron oil during meditation or while working on your financial plans can enhance its effects and keep you aligned with your goals. Incorporating saffron into your daily routine can further amplify its benefits. Add a few saffron threads to your morning tea or milk to start your day with an intention of wealth and success. Cooking with saffron, whether in savory dishes like paella or sweet treats like saffron rice pudding, can help to infuse your meals with the energy of abundance. As you prepare and enjoy saffron-infused food, visualize your financial goals and feel the power of prosperity flowing into your life. Saffron's luxurious properties make it a powerful spice for those looking to enhance their financial situation. By integrating saffron into your home and daily practices, you can create an environment that attracts wealth and abundance. Spice 7. Bay leaf. Bay leaf, known for its subtle aroma and versatile uses, holds a significant place in spiritual practices for attracting financial stability and prosperity. In Buddhist traditions, bay leaves are often used to ward off negative energy and invite positive vibrations, making them an excellent choice for those seeking to enhance their financial well-being. To use bay leaf for attracting wealth, start by placing whole bay leaves in strategic locations around your home. The entrance, kitchen, and living room are ideal spots, as these areas are crucial for welcoming and nurturing positive energy. You can also create a sachet with dried bay leaves and place it near your financial documents or in your wallet to draw money and opportunities. Burning bay leaf incense or using bay leaf essential oil in a diffuser is another effective way to harness its prosperity-attracting properties. The subtle, herbaceous aroma of bay leaves can create a calming atmosphere that promotes positive thinking and financial focus. Diffusing bay leaf oil while meditating on your financial goals can amplify its effects and help you stay aligned with the energy of abundance. Incorporating bay leaf into your daily routine can further enhance its benefits. Add a bay leaf to your cooking, such as in soups, stews, or rice dishes, with the intention of inviting wealth and prosperity into your life. As you prepare and consume bay leaf-infused food, visualize your financial goals and feel grateful for the wealth you are attracting. A unique way to use bay leaves is by writing your financial goals or wishes on a bay leaf and then burning it. As the leaf burns, visualize your wishes being carried to the universe and manifesting into reality. This ritual can help to reinforce your intentions and align your energy with your financial aspirations. Bay leaf's powerful properties make it a valuable spice for those looking to enhance their financial situation. By integrating bay leaf into your home and daily practices, you create a protective and prosperous environment that invites wealth and success. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the 7 powerful spices that can enhance your prosperity and attract abundant wealth. We've explored how each spice aligns with Buddhist teachings and principles, and how incorporating them into your daily routine can transform your home into a magnet for prosperity. We would love to hear from you in the comments. Have you tried using these spices to attract wealth? What changes have you noticed in your life? Share your experiences and thoughts with us. Your stories can inspire others on their journey to financial abundance. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on enhancing your well-being through Buddhist secrets. Remember, prosperity begins with the right mindset and daily practices. May you find peace and abundance in every aspect of your life.